Because you're heavy.
And I go, yay!
Pretty good.
Awesome. All right, Mom and Dad, you get in the picture now.
Mommy, it's pretty good.
It's pretty good.
Come here, Benny.
Come on in, Betty.
All right, guys, what just happened?
We're missing a kid. But
We're missing a kid. Okay, beyond missing a kid, what just happened?
sold
Sold
our
our
house.
house.
And who was your realtor?
Marnie Pedersen.
And have you got any suggestions to anybody looking to buy or sell?
Call Marnie.
Call Marnie. Best.
Thanks, guys. For more information on this or any of our other listings, visit us on our YouTube channel at gettingyouhome.tv, on Instagram or Facebook. We are Getting You Home.